Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full countdown analysis. So, on the dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this as possibly a wave A. I still think this is possibly an A of B. I still think this needs to go down possibly for an ABC of B before it actually goes up and makes a C. So, you'd have an A B, and a C, which would be either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this move up as possibly a wave B, and this possibly, maybe it will go up and make a double top, but I still think at some point it is going to go down and make a wave C before it actually goes up and makes the bigger pattern to the upside for the bigger wave C. So this would be an A, this would be an ABC of B, and then back up for the bigger wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely did have a breaker structure to the downside, so you would think that this move up right here would possibly be a crutch to this move down. If it is, then you would most likely see three waves up to a Fibonacci level and then an impulsive move down, hopefully the continuation of the downtrend. The US dollar CAD has been very, very sideways for about 2 months now. Hopefully it will break out one way or the other pretty soon to help give us a clearer direction. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is possibly an ABC right here. It looks like one up. Looks like possibly three down, even though it's a higher high. It's probably an extended wave B, like an extended flat wave B, and then back up for wave C. If this does make an impulsive down, which it already is, and breaks structure at a Fibonacci level, then it likely is an ABC, and it likely is the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking at this structure right here for a break. If it does break that structure, then that proves to me that this trend is over. And if that trend really is a wave C, which it looks like it may be on the higher time frames, then at that point, once we get that break of structure, that's when I'm going to start looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see. Until we get that break of structure, there's always a chance that it rejects structure and just keeps on trending up. I'm still primarily looking for longs, but if it breaks structure, then I'm going to definitely start looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.